Imagine you and your friends keep a shared notebook. Every time someone sends money to someone else, everyone writes it down. Nobody can erase it. Nobody can fake it. Nobody controls it. That shared notebook, that is exactly what a blockchain is. And once you understand this, all of crypto starts to make perfect sense. Most people hear the word blockchain and immediately switch off. They think it is too technical, too complicated, only for developers and computer scientists. So they skip learning it. And that is a huge mistake. Because if you do not understand blockchain, you will never truly understand why crypto has real value. You will always be guessing, always be confused, always be vulnerable to scams and bad decisions. Let's break it down step by step. A blockchain is made of two words, block and chain. Simple. A block is just a container, like a box. Inside that box is stored information, specifically three things. First, transaction data. Who sent what to who? Second, a timestamp. Exactly when it happened. Third, something called a hash. Think of a hash as a unique fingerprint. Every single block has its own fingerprint that is completely different from every other block. Now here is where it gets interesting. Each block also contains the fingerprint of the block that came before it. This is what connects them. Block after block after block. All linked together by their fingerprints. That chain of linked blocks is the blockchain. Now imagine someone tries to go back and change an old transaction. Maybe they want to fake sending money they never actually sent. The moment they change that old block, its fingerprint changes completely. Which means the next block no longer matches. Which breaks the next block. Which breaks the one after that. The entire chain falls apart instantly. And the network detects this immediately. The fake change gets rejected. This is why blockchain transactions cannot be faked, cannot be reversed, cannot be manipulated. The system protects itself automatically. But here is what makes blockchain truly powerful. This chain of blocks is not stored in one place. It is not sitting on one computer in one building controlled by one company. It is copied across thousands of computers all around the world at the same time. These computers are called nodes. Every single node has the complete copy of every transaction ever made. So if someone tries to hack one computer, there are thousands of other copies that immediately prove the hack wrong. To successfully cheat a blockchain, you would need to hack more than half of all those thousands of computers at exactly the same time. That is practically impossible. Let me make this even simpler. Think of a normal Google Doc that only one person controls. That person can edit it, delete it, change it, lock you out. Now imagine a Google Doc that is shared with 10,000 people at the same time. Everyone has a copy. Everyone can see every change. Nobody can secretly edit it without everyone knowing. Nobody can delete it. That is blockchain. Transparent, permanent, unstoppable. So here is what you just learned. A blockchain is a chain of blocks, each containing transaction data, a timestamp, and a unique fingerprint. Each block connects to the one before it, making it impossible to fake. It is stored across thousands of computers worldwide, making it impossible to hack or control. This is the technology that powers Bitcoin, Ethereum, and almost every cryptocurrency in existence today. Now you understand blockchain better than most people who have been in crypto for years. In the next video we go into Bitcoin specifically, what it actually is, how it works, and why so many people believe it is the most important invention since the internet. Subscribe right now so you do not miss it. And drop a comment below. Does blockchain make sense to you now?